Hello again. Today we are talking about inverse of a function. So I'm going to walk through an example and kind of go over the step-by-step instructions along the way. Alright, so the first step is to replace f of x with y. So I'm just going to change this to y equals 2x minus 1. Alright. Second step is to switch x and y. So the x takes the y spot, and the y takes the x spot. Alright. Now we're going to solve for y. I want to get the y by itself. Here it is. So I'll start by getting rid of the plus 1 that's on both sides. Give me 2y over here, x plus 1. And now divide both sides by 2. Those 2 cancel, and I get x plus 1 over 2. Final step, switch the y back to now the final answer stage. F inverse of x is now equal to x plus 1 over 2. So not a terribly difficult process. So again, replace the f of x with y, switch the x and the y, then solve, get the y by itself, and then switch y back to what's called an inverse function of x, f negative 1 exponent. All right, let's look at a couple more examples real quick here. Alright, so again, step 1, switch to y equals, instead of f of x. Step 2, replace the x and y by swapping them. Now solve for y, to get the y by itself. So I had minus 5 on both sides. I got 2 over y equals x minus 5. Ugh. Hopefully you remember how to do this. Then I'll multiply both sides by y. Ooh, that didn't come out good. Multiply both sides by y to get the y out of the denominator. I'll leave 2, and on this side I got y times x minus 5. Then to get the y by itself, I got to divide both sides by x minus 5. Those cancel out. No more y. I'm going to rewrite that as f inverse of x, and then the answer is 2 over x minus 5. So a lot of fractional answers here. They're not going to come out pretty. All right, one more. Again, I'm going to replace the f of x with y and then switch the x and y. So I'm going to do that all at once on this one. Give myself a little more room for work. All right, then I'm going to start off with getting the y by itself. I'll add 1 on both sides. On the left side I got x plus 1. On the right I got 3y squared. Now I'll divide both sides by 3. Leave it in fraction form. And then to get rid of a exponent 2, I started to give you the answer, use square roots. Square roots and exponent 2's cancel out. And again, instead of writing y, I'm going to write it in answer form, f inverse of x. And then the answer will be square root of x plus 1 over 3. Again, not pretty, but not challenging or difficult either. Just not pretty. All right, this is your work today. Good luck.